Hello everyone! Check out these adorable pie boxes. You can make them as cream pies, pumpkin pie, lattice crust pie, heart crust pie, star crust pie, and double crust pie. I love pie, and my designs are inspired by all of the flavors and holidays and occasions that have become special memories. Join me and I'll show you how to easily assemble these boxes to use for packaging small gifts and treats for your holidays and occasions. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how to make the garnishes to add to the tops of your pies. You can find the cut files for all of these pies at ellipticolor.com. I'll include the links below. Let's get started. We'll start with the pie filling. Fold all of the score lines downward. Glue the 3 tabs on the inside of the box, and this will be the top of the pie box. Next, make the bottom pie crust. Fold all of the score lines upward, and then glue the 3 tabs on the inside of the box. This will be the bottom of the pie crust. The top and the bottom pieces will fit together to form the pie box. Some of the pie styles have full top crust pieces. The cream pies only have back crust pieces. To make the full top crust pieces, fold the score lines from the tip to the back. Forward, backward, backward, forward. Flip the crust over so the back side is facing up. Fold the end tabs upward as well as the tiny tabs on the end tab. Add glue to the back side of the large triangle part of the crust and glue the large triangle to the top of the pie filling piece. Flip the pie filling piece over. Add glue to the tiny tabs on each end of the crust and to the notched rectangle area. Line the notched rectangle crust piece up exactly with the notched rectangle on the pie filling piece. Make sure the tiny tabs are tucked inside both ends of the crust and hold the triangle ends while your glue dries. The pie box top and bottom fit together smoothly, and the notch in the back makes it easy to open the box. To make the crust for the cream pies, fold the middle and front score line backward, and fold the back score line forward. Fold the tiny tabs on each end backward, and then flip the crust over. Fold the end tabs forward. These tabs will fold up to form the triangle end pieces. Add glue to the tiny tabs. Fold the crust around the end tabs and hold in place until the glue dries. Add glue to the notched rectangle on the pie filling. Glue the crust onto the pie filling piece with the cutout holes pointing forward and the notches aligned. Now it's time to make the garnishes. To make this swirly dollop of whipped cream, fold each arm forward. Then fold 2 arms upward and hook the end pieces together. You will need to hold the first few arms in place. Fold the 3rd arm upward and hook the end around the first 2 ends. Repeat with the last 2 arms. If necessary, you can adjust the arms slightly to even them out. To give the leaves a little dimension, slightly bend them down the centers. To glue them in place, place a small dot of glue on the end of the stem or leaf. To make the citrus zest, curl the long, skinny zest pieces around a toothpick. For the chocolate curls, wrap the chocolate pieces loosely around a toothpick. Simply glue the star shapes on wherever you like them. To give the sprigs a little dimension, slightly curl them upward with your fingers. To glue them in place, place a small dot of glue on the end of the stem. Bend each berry along the center to add dimension and glue the end of the stem to the pie. Get creative! Mix and match colors and add garnishes to create your perfect pie. What flavors will you create? Leave a comment and let me know your ideas. I'd love to see your designs. Tag me @ellipticolor on social media. Happy crafting!